Learn English to Hindi want forms
chaahna,
and past wants. Welcome to Want. Hey, you are about to learn one very useful idea in Hindi, wanting things. And yes, this chapter contains more desire than a cat staring at a samosa. Our base word is want.
chaahna,
Think of it as the giant button in your brain that lights up when you see tea, free time, or the last mango in the room. In English, we say want. In Hindi, we say
chaahna.
Today you will hear how this idea changes in the past. I wanted, you wanted, he wanted, she wanted, it wanted, we wanted, you wanted politely, and they wanted. Your learning goal today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, smile, repeat, and let the pattern stick. Base form. Want equals.
chaahna,
I wanted equals.
मैं चाहता था,
You wanted, informal equals.
तुम चाहते थे,
He wanted equals.
वो चाहता था,
She wanted equals.
वो चाहती थी,
It wanted equals.
चाहता था,
We wanted equals.
हम चाहते थे,
You wanted, polite equals.
आप चाहते थे,
They wanted equals.
वे चाहते थे.
A tiny story of big desires. Let us learn through a ridiculous little story. If it feels silly, good. Silly things are easier to remember. Imagine a snack shop at sunset. One hungry student stands outside and whispers,
मैं चाहता था,
because I wanted the last hot samosa. My friend points at me and says,
तुम चाहते थे,
because you wanted it too. Then a dramatic man in a scarf appears. Everyone says,
वो चाहता था,
because he wanted tea. A woman walks in, looks at the sweets, and clearly,
वो चाहती थी,
the jalebi. Even the shop mascot, a suspicious goat.
चाहता था,
A biscuit. Soon the whole group sighs.
हम चाहते थे,
More snacks. The shopkeeper bows politely and says, maybe,
आप चाहते थे,
to come earlier. Finally the crowd groans together.
वे चाहते थे.
Everything on the menu. Moral of the story. Never arrive late when your grammar and your stomach are both hungry. Pattern hunt. Now listen for the pattern. Hindi is being very helpful here, even if it wears a serious face. The base idea is
chaahna,
that means to want. For many past forms, you will hear pieces like
चाहता था, चाहती थी,
or.
चाहते थे,
So when you hear
मैं चाहता था,
the whole idea is I wanted. When you hear
वो चाहता था,
the whole idea is he wanted. When you hear
वो चाहती थी,
the whole idea is she wanted. When you hear
हम चाहते थे,
or
वे चाहते थे.
the whole idea is plural past wanting. Repeat after me. Say these out loud. Quietly is fine. Dramatically is better. Want.
चाहना,
I wanted.
मैं चाहता था,
You wanted.
तुम चाहते थे,
He wanted.
वो चाहता था,
She wanted.
वो चाहती थी,
It wanted.
चाहता था,
We wanted.
हम चाहते थे,
You wanted, polite.
आप चाहते थे,
They wanted.
वे चाहते थे.
Mini dialogues. Here comes real lifestyle practice. Or at least real life if your life includes goats, tea, and missed snacks. A. Do you want tea? B. I want tea. In Hindi, want is
चाहना,
A. Did you go early? B. No.
मैं चाहता था,
But I stayed. A. Yesterday you wanted this book, right? B. Yes.
तुम चाहते थे.
A. Why was he sad? B.
वो चाहता था.
To join us. A. Why was she waiting? B.
वो चाहती थी.
To buy flowers. A. Why was the puppy crying? B. It probably.
चाहता था.
To go outside. A. Did your group want more time? B. Yes.
हम चाहते थे.
A. Sir, you wanted more tea? B. Yes.
आप चाहते थे.
Is the polite form. A. Why were they late? B.
वे चाहते थे.
One more cup of chai. Quick quiz. No pressure. If you get one wrong, just blame the imaginary goat. How do you say want?
चाहना.
How do you say I wanted?
मैं चाहता था.
How do you say you wanted, informal?
तुम चाहते थे.
How do you say he wanted?
वो चाहता था.
How do you say she wanted?
वो चाहती थी.
How do you say it wanted?
चाहता था.
How do you say we wanted?
हम चाहते थे.
How do you say you wanted, polite?
आप चाहते थे.
How do you say they wanted?
वे चाहते थे.
Memory tricks. Let us glue these words into your memory with a few silly hooks. Picture a giant wish list on your front door with
चाहना.
written across it, that is want. Point to yourself and say,
मैं चाहता था.
it means I wanted. Point to your friend and say,
तुम चाहते थे.
you wanted. Imagine a movie hero looking tragic and noble.
वो चाहता था.
He wanted. Imagine a movie heroine reaching toward a dream.
वो चाहती थी.
She wanted. Imagine a puppy staring at the door.
चाहता था.
It wanted. Imagine your whole friend group missing the bus together.
हम चाहते थे.
We wanted. Imagine speaking politely to a teacher or elder.
आप चाहते थे.
You wanted. Imagine a crowd wanting the last samosa.
वे चाहते थे.
They wanted. Final challenge. Now you try. I will give the English, and you say the Hindi before I do. Want.
चाहना.
I wanted.
मैं चाहता था.
You wanted, informal.
तुम चाहते थे.
He wanted.
वो चाहता था.
She wanted.
वो चाहती थी.
It wanted.
चाहता था.
We wanted.
हम चाहते थे.
You wanted, polite.
आप चाहते थे.
They wanted.
वे चाहते थे.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just trained your brain to talk about wanting in Hindi without falling off a grammatical cliff. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
चाहना.
And its past forms.
मैं चाहता था. तुम चाहते थे. वो चाहता था. वो चाहती थी. चाहता था. हम चाहते थे. आप चाहते थे.
And.
वे चाहते थे.
Repeat them tomorrow, use them in tiny sentences, and do not worry about perfection. Practice a little every day, and soon these forms will feel natural.